vision-based pinhole detection on full body of aluminium collapsible tubes. Here is a proof of concept for easy understanding. Look at the second tube. As soon as it comes in front of the sensor, camera catches the pinholes, if any, and presents on the screen. If pinholes are identified, the tube at indexed position is ejected so that not OK tubes do not get mixed up with OK tubes. Here is the second example. On the screen you see the pinholes. Again, as soon as pinholes are identified at indexed position, the tube is ejected. Now let's move on to the shop floor. On shop floor, the person loads the tubes and there is another person who unloads the OK tubes. For not OK tubes ejection, a different mechanism is used on the shop floor. The tubes are destroyed. Here you can see how the not OK tubes are destroyed. Here it is. The beauty of this system is it detects pinholes not only on the neck of the tubes but on full body. Any such tubes are destroyed then and there itself. This assures you about the quality of aluminium collapsible tubes with no pinholes over the full body. If you are interested in any such vision-based solutions, feel free to get in touch with us. Here are our details. Thank you.